properties, right? I'll go to pipe networks, and right here, station 1 to station 2, I wanna see that pipe in my network. So I'm gonna click on it, cause it's not being displayed right now, and hit OK, and there, it's showing the pipe in a weird way. Okay, so that pipe doesn't really look like a pipe this way, so I'm gonna select it again. I'm gonna go to Profile View Properties, and here's that pipe, but right here it says, there's something here saying override. I'll click override, and then I'll say pipe crossing, okay? So I'm gonna have it just looking different, say pipe crossing, hit okay, and okay, and now it looks like that. So now we can really see what the interference is in the profile view. Okay, and if we wanted to correct that, you know, we would have to do some stuff, right? I could grab this pipe here, you know, if I wanted to do it accurately, but I'm not gonna do it accurately, I can go like that, you know, and then I can grab this pipe here and pull it down. You know, I'd have to go to pipe properties to establish it properly, but I'll just do it right now. So once I've done that, now I can go over here and right click and I can say rerun the interference. So I'm gonna rerun it and it says it's 0. Okay, so in fact, I didn't think I was going to fix it that easily. But I didn't need to fix it that easily. But if I was a little bit higher, then it would have been, you know, it would have shown the ball clipping, you know, the bottom. So that's how you do it, interference. Yeah. So there's one more here like that. So I'll just open it and quickly do it. Okay, so in this case here, we've got a larger network, we've got a blue network over here, and I've got this yellow network here. And they cross each other a few times. So what I'm gonna do is I wanna see what's going on. So I'll select the yellow network. Doesn't matter which one. I'll go to interference check, and then it says select another network, so I'll select the blue network. And then the same thing, it selected the two networks. I'm gonna say 3D, I'll say apply a 3D. And I don't want to use 10 feet, I'll say 1.5 feet, which is about 18 inches, right? Hit okay and okay. And when I go into, it says 1 interference found. Now, it crosses in a few locations, so I don't know exactly where, but what I'm gonna do is, right there, here's the interference. I'll right click, say zoom to, and it zooms right to the interference, so it's right over here. So now I can grab these two, go to Object Viewer, and see what it looks like, and you can see what it looks like right there. Okay, so if I rotate it a bit, you can see how the interference is within the thing. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so let me just, whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Whoops.
The orange man.
Okay, so here's the assignment. So let me just open it up. Okay, and here's the template. Now, if you didn't follow through with that slope thing, or pipe properties, you're probably gonna have a bit of problem with this. Okay.